Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus, and in today's video I'm going to be making a delicious creamy Alfredo pasta. My mom made this pasta last week and it was so good I just had to film it and share this recipe with you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into the video. So first I'm starting out by boiling some bow tie noodles according to the package. Now I'm dicing up 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, and also 1 onion. If you don't have a yellow pepper, you can use an orange one. Now I'm sauteing everything and I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that the peppers and onions are done cooking, I'm adding 3 cloves of minced garlic and I'm going to let it cook for about 1 minute. I'm chopping up 2 packs of baby Bella mushrooms. I'm going to cook them down and add a little bit of sea salt and black pepper. For our cashew cream sauce, I have 2 cups of cashews sitting in water that I boiled. I had them sitting for about an hour, but they only need to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I added 2 cups of cashews to a blender, along with 1.5 cups of water and 2 cloves of garlic. Then I just blended everything up. Now I'm adding the cashew cream sauce to the peppers and onions and some of this Slap Ya Mama seasoning that is really good, and some garlic powder. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of basil oil. I'll also put the recipe in the description box. Next, I'm adding the mushrooms and I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to add the pasta. Once everything is finished, make sure you taste it. Make sure that it's seasoned to your liking. I ended up adding a little bit more Slap Ya Mama seasoning and it came out perfect. So here is the pasta. I already know what this tastes like. I know it's going to be good because I had it this week and I had to make it again. So. You have to make this pasta. Creamy, rich, filled with sauteed veggies and mushrooms. This is like the best Alfredo pasta I've had. This would be good if you put like some vegan chicken strips in it. It kind of reminds me of the Louisiana chicken pasta from the Cheesecake Factory. That was my favorite dish at the Cheesecake Factory. Well, that's all for now. If you make this, tag me at NamNam2Fitness on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.